How to remove Instagram account in another phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account in another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to remove your Instagram account on another phone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application, and then from here just come to your profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, then go to the option called Account Center. Once you go to Account Center, to remove your Instagram account from someone else's device, go to Password and Security. One of the first ways you can remove someone from another phone is by simply changing your password. So go ahead and then make sure to tap the change password option, enter the current password and enter the new password that you want to change to. Anyone who is logged into your account will get automatically logged out once you do so. The second thing you can do is you can go and check the devices manually by tapping the where you are logged in option here, and then from here just select your Instagram account, and then you should be able to see a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in. So select that particular device here, and then you'll find the logout button, tap on it, tap on the logout option, and you'll be successfully logged out of these devices. This way you can remove your Instagram account from another phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.